Lecture Part 5. Well, we continue with certain myths on codependency, and now we've got myth number 4. Codependency is a permanent personality trait. This is, in fact, a myth, which is a fallacy. Well, the reality is that codependency is not a fixed personality trait, but rather a learned pattern of behavior that can be unlearned and changed. With self awareness, education, and commitment to a personal growth, individual can break free from codependent patterns and develop healthier relationship dynamics. Recovery from codependency is possible with right support and tools. There is another myth, myth number 5. Codependency can only be resolved by leaving the relationship. Well, that's a fallacy. The reality is that while some relationships may be toxic and require leaving for one's well being, not all codependent relationships are doomed. With individual and couples therapy, often communication, and willingness to charge, it is possible to transform a codependent relationship into a healthier, interdependent one. However, it is important to assess the level of safety and potential for change within the relationship. Well, we do have a codependency quiz assessing one's relationship dynamics. We can identify codependent behaviors and tendency. Are you unsure if you or someone you know is experiencing codependency in a relationship? If you are someone you know is experiencing codependency in a relationship, recognizing codependent behaviors and tendencies is a crucial step in understanding and addressing this issue. There are few instructions for the same. Read each statement below and rate how frequently it applies to your current or past relationship and on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being never and 5 being always. Be honest with yourself and as you answer each question. Be honest with yourself as you answer each question. Well, once when you have completed it, you can score it. Once when you have finished answering the questions, you can add up your scores. And all these questions are scored 1 to 5. And then you interpret your score. If you score 15 to 30, that is minimal codependent traits. Your relationship dynamics show minimal signs of codependency, indicating a healthy sense of self and boundaries. However, it is still important to remain self aware and continue nurturing healthy relationship habits. If you score 31 to 45 or you score 46 to 60 or you score 61 to 75, there are different uh, inferings that I'll share with you. But first of all, I would like to share those questions, those quizzes that can be very much beneficial for you. So I'll get along with those questions and then move on to scoring and interpretation of the score. I'll do the same in my next video.